Hey everyone, today I'm craving for something sweet and chocolatey, so I decided to bake some soft and fluffy chocolate chip muffins. My mouth is already watering, so let's get started. But before we start, preheat your oven at 210 degrees Celsius. First, in a mixing bowl, put a sieve and add all-purpose flour. The amount is more than my sieve can handle, so I'll do it in 2 batches. Now add salt, baking powder, mix them. Add chocolate chips, reserve some for later use, and mix them together. And set aside. Next up, let's work on the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, melted butter, and sugar. Whisk these together for about 2 minutes until well blended. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best results. Then add 2 eggs and mix thoroughly. And add the sour cream and vanilla essence. Whisk until everything is well combined. Combine the wet mixture with the dry ones, mix them well, but don't overmix. Scrub the sides of a bowl with a spatula to make sure everything is well combined. Take a muffin tray with liners. Now fill each liner with the batter using an ice cream scoop. For muffins, we fill them to the top, unlike cupcakes where we leave some space. Then sprinkle some reserved chocolate chips over the batter in each liner. Time for baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 210 degrees Celsius for the first 5 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 177 degrees Celsius and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. While they are baking, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our recipes. Here you go, it's looking so yummy and my kitchen is filled with an amazing smell. So let's let them cool for a bit. These muffins are so soft and fluffy, you must try this recipe. If you enjoyed our recipe, please like, share, and give your feedback. You can also check out these baking recipes. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.